guys, welcome back to the channel. Studio Race Boys and Their Toys. Guys, I got another video, got another unboxing, got another review of the Goldblatt dust-free hand sander. Guys, as you know, I've been doing work on my den. Check out all those videos on what I've been doing. I'm in the home stretch. I have to do a little more touch-up work. Now, you know, when you have to sand something, that dust get everywhere. So I needed something to help take care of dust control because I have a wife who will kick my butt if I don't handle my business. So again, give me another reason to buy a toy. And again, got this from Amazon. Yes, I am an Amazon addictive buyer. Alright, so I picked this up. Didn't cost too much. So what we're going to do, we're going to open it up and let you know I got this from the warehouse. So I didn't pay full retail. It was a return. Box is damaged. I'm fine with that. This is low tech. And if I can find a good deal, I'll jump on it immediately. So got this from the warehouse, Amazon. So what we're going to do, we're going to open it up. We're going to take it for a spin. See if it works the freaking 2 cents I paid for it. And if so, guys, I will recommend it. If it doesn't work, I'm going to give it a thumbs down. So let's open it up. Thanks for joining me. Studio Race Boys and Their Toys. Subscribe and let's get into the video. Alright, comes with a basic hose, as you can see. Have some attachments for your shop vac. They already give you one of the screens. This is a 120 screen, which is ideal. And they have the unit. Alright, it's a closer look at it. Very thick plastic, made very well. I think it's not flimsy at all. It has a articulating type of handle, so depending which way you're coming from, you can adjust it. I like that. Yeah. Two attachments. So depending on what shop vac you're going to use. I'm going to hook it up to my Milwaukee. Being that's portable. And that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing, very simple item. And again, the point of picking this up, again, just to keep down that, that dust. And it has two open ports here and here, so it'll suck up all that dust as you're sanding. And being that they give you already 120, which is perfect because I don't have a lot to do. It just attaches just like any other sander. I like this part here. These are aluminum. It's not plastic. So, like when you buy the ones in the stores, they're all plastic. So I like that. Just sitting here. I'm just going to attach it. Yeah, that's it. Alright. Works well. You can definitely hold it with one hand and just go back and forth. So it's a good look. I hope this works out. What I'll do is I'll set up a camera on the area I'm working on and we'll take a look at it. I'll tell you what, let me bring my shop vac over and let's see how this can attach all together. Alright guys, I got my shop vac, my portable Milwaukee, which I love this machine. Works on batteries for those just quick up messes. Easy to use. So I definitely like this machine. Check out that video when I did an unboxing on that. And with this one, as you know about the Milwaukee, it has a permanent hose here. This is ideal because all I have to do is just push it in and it works. So I got an extension on this Milwaukee here. All right, so it gives me plenty of room to maneuver while this is on the ground. And this part right here is simply, it just goes on this part right here. And we're done. And what I like about it, it pivots, and then I can get into sanding. So I like this machine. This is a good setup. All right, again, help me keep down that dust. Automatically gonna go right into the shop vac. So it should keep all that dust down to a minimum. So again, it's all about dust control. So this might be definitely a good look for you for anything. This might be a good look for like doing small patches. I'm not too sure about doing the whole room. Probably attach this to a bigger shop vac. This is really for just spot areas, at least this setup. It's not a large area that I'm doing. I'll take a picture of the area I'm doing. We're gonna set up the camera, time lapse, and we'll see how this works out. All right? Alright guys, as you can see, I'm pretty much set up here. Got my Milwaukee shop vac, and it's attached here, and look, got pretty much a good size length hose, which is ideal, so you can have your shop vac down on the floor. And what I like about this here, this part here, excuse me, if I can adjust this, that little part adjusts. So this is the part I'm doing here, so I'm able just to turn that, pivot that downward, so it gives me that angle that I need to sand. So I do like the ergonomics of this and how they set this up for dust control. So this is a good look. So I'm gonna set up the time lapse. I'm gonna sand this down now, and let's see how it performs. I got about 2 coats here. I'm gonna sand it, then I have to come back with a 3rd coat. What I had to do here, Lowe's ended up sending me a door that's a little too short, so I had to add another inch patch so this door will fit properly in this opening. So that's what I'm doing here now. So let me just get that going and see how this thing performs. All right. Alright guys, I just sanded this down. This thing works very well. Very well. When you turn your shop vac on, you can feel the air pushing against the wall, helping to suck that air in, trap it. I just sanded a small part, and I got very little drop down of dust coming off of this. So this thing works very well. I like this. And to tell you the truth, I didn't have to set up any type of plastic. Usually I set up a bunch of plastic everywhere to keep that fine dust down. But this thing works very well. It keeps a nice suction between the unit and the wall. So it'll trap that dust and really get it in. And when you look at this, again, if you look inside, they have these little crevices right here. So I guess the dust are able to get all between there and get into the vacuum hose. So this is a good look. I'm glad I got it. It's gonna work out very well. And again, I have to come back with certain patches of area that's a little high. I want to sand it down just a little bit to knock it down. Go back over it, go over it so I get a nice smooth look. So this is definitely a good look, this item. So, all right guys, that's it. That was a quick video. Hope it helped you out. Again, consider subscribing. I'll put a link on where I got this from. It's, of course, Amazon. And that's that, guys. If you're interested in picking this up, I think it's ideal. I think it should be something in your tool bag, especially if you're doing some type of project in your home and you're trying to keep that dust. Consider picking this up. I think this will work out. It'll help you with that dust control. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Boys and Toys. I'll check you out on the next one.